How to get DoorDash promo codes for free delivery. Hello everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you how we can find DoorDash promo codes for free delivery. So let's just dive right into the video. So for that, the easiest way you can do is you can regularly check the DoorDash application or their website. You can head over to DoorDash.com and log in into your account, and you should be finding different offers going on, which should provide you different promo codes for free delivery. If not that, you can find different deal websites. One of the deal websites are Groupon. Groupon. You can just go ahead and type in Groupon and hit enter. And there you'll be finding different coupons and promo codes. You can look out for the promo codes within there and look out for the DoorDash promo code from the section right here. Look out for that. Search. Let me just go ahead and search for DoorDash. And we have some coupons and codes available here. So you may just go ahead and look out for the coupon code, tab on C coupon code, and you should be finding the coupon code that you can use for free delivery. Yeah, you can just go ahead and look out for the free delivery coupon code available here and just go ahead and copy it up and apply it. Apart from that, there are other websites also such as Deal Now, Deal News. You can just go ahead and type in that as well and you'll be finding the results. You can look out for the code from that as well. And you can just go ahead and find them through the doors or email newsletter, social media, and by signing up for DoorDash Pass for free delivery on eligible orders. So those are some of the methods available if you like to get DoorDash promo codes for free on delivery. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will be seeing you in another video.